Hello traders, welcome back to another video guys. So in today's video we're doing a jump 50 trade recap, of which it is very important that you watch up until the end, just because there are some key nuggets that I'm about to share with you in this video. So if you're new to trading and would like to trade using trend lines, this is the video for you, just because I'm gonna drop some key nuggets that are going to help you whenever you're using trend lines guys. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video guys. And before we do that, make sure that you watch the first video so that you can understand the second video, just because I'm doing a trade recap like I said. So let's get into the screen guys. So guys, firstly what I'm gonna do is remove each and everything that is going on here so that I can just explain everything from start to finish up until we had this overall trade going in our favor guys, just because I've analyzed everything before and I've shared the video on this channel, and I hope you've watched it. If you didn't, the link is in the description below or in the pinned comments guys. Now, so we started off from the 4-hour time frame. Sorry about that. And the key concept here is impulses and corrections like I told you. And another key component that I used was our value areas, where we got the volume in the markets. Let's say the market pushed down and then it will leave like a high, a previous high or a previous low, depending on the setup that you're trading. But like if you're looking for selling opportunities, then it means that the market will leave a previous high, which means that that previous high has volume at the top, but like we need to take it out before we can look for entry confirmations or triggers that will just give us like an idea that on the lower time frame we can look for a very big push to the downside or to the upside, like I said, depending on the setup that you're trading guys. Now, so looking at the structure, we can just remove each and everything here, and then on the 4-hour, like I told you, there are areas of interest. So as you can see here, this was the first area of interest, and then what happened is that the market came back to this area here. So this is the area that I am talking about, and then the market pulled to the downside, which means that that high has volume at the top. What you need is an entry confirmation, just like this. We had this evening star around the top of the structure, and then we pulled down, then we started correcting. Then that correction is like an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, so on and so forth guys. But like the overall trade idea here happened around this point here. As you can see, push down, then we had this correction here. But like on the lower time frame, that is where you can get involved, just because we take trades on the 15-minute, just because you need like 3 time frames so that you can get like a clearer picture of what's happening in the markets guys. Now, so as you can see here, we had a push down, correction, push down. Then we can look at the 1-hour time frame. Like I told you, we use 3 time frames. Sorry about that guys. Now, so as you can clearly see from this point here, we also had an ascending channel, of which patterns also confirm like a lot of things. As you can see, that evening star happened very nicely at the top of the structure, pushing back down into our price action. So as you can see from that point, we can just connect each and everything, pull this back a bit, knowing that this is our overall 90% within that point right there guys. Now, so around that area, that is where we take our profits, as you obviously know. And then after this break of this ascending channel, you can obviously see that we had that push to the downside, impulse, correction, impulse. And then after here, after having that push to the downside, we can obviously see that we had another correction, then we had a push down. So this correction here was the one that we were analyzing previously guys. Now, so that goes to show that whenever guys you focus on your trading style, you can make a lot of money guys. It doesn't mean that one style will be making money or your trading style is not making money. You just need to refine a few things, and then that is when you're going to see like progress in your trading. But like the inner circle is there for you. You can still join the inner circle. Like I told you, the WhatsApp number is in the description below, or you can just contact me on Instagram so that you can get involved with our inner circle and learn all the strategies that I know guys. Now, so as you can see here, we also had that pattern that we talked about around here, just like that. And then after even that pattern, you can obviously see that we had a push to the downside. Then we had the correction, like I told you, in form of an ascending channel, just like that. But like I was anticipating like a bit more larger structure, just because this one was a bit small. But like here I was expecting a larger structure, but the thing that I was looking at was like a 1 2 3 type of formation whereby we get like 3 touches on that pattern. So let me just do this, remove everything just like that, and then as you can see here, we created a double top formation. Then that is when the market sold off, and like I told you, this is an area of interest, and then this is also an area of interest whereby we can get the third touch. But like in this case, we failed to get the third touch. But like I told you guys, is that whenever you get the double top formation like this, you place your entry. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame, just because that is the time frame that I always preach about, guys, man. So as you can see here, we're at our first touch, second touch, area of interest, second area of interest. Then we tapped to create the double top formation within this point. Then that is when the market gave us that push to the downside. Like I said, the stop loss should be just above here or above here. I don't remember quite nicely, but like this was the overall trade idea that we had on jump 50, guys. And I hope you go to learn like a thing or two when it comes to my trading styles, just because I have been dropping them for quite a while. And then I hope everyone is learning, guys, just because it takes a lot of time for me to make like these videos here. There are cuts and edits each and everywhere on this video here, just because I blabber and then I was busy with some stuff. But like I make sure that I pull up and then I show up on my YouTube channel, just because I need to make sure that you all are fed, guys. Now, so I'll see you on another video. Peace and love.